This is Realme C55, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tricks and tricks on this device. So the first one is called the Pro mode. In order to enter it, you will need to scroll to the More section, and well, in here you can see the Pro mode. So it is actually the feature that allows you to manually adjust the ISO value, shutter speed value, white balance value, set manual focus, and change the exposure of your photos. So if you consider that the automatic values for these parameters are, well, unsatisfactory, or you just simply overall want to have more manual controls over the pictures that you shoot, this mode is something you might want to consider. The next tip is how you can take the high resolution improved quality photos. So let me take a photo in the regular picture mode, and then in order to enter the high res mode or ultra resolution mode, just go for the 64M or 64 megapixels. Then let me take another photo and compare the details of those two. So here is the photo taken at the regular photo mode, and that's the specs of this photo. So here is the dimensions or resolution, and here is the file size. And on the other hand, if you will open up the details for the 64M or high resolution picture, you'll see that both dimensions and size, or file size, were significantly increased. So to put it shortly, the high-res photo provides you with improved quality and deeper level of detailing, while the regular pictures provide you with decent quality, everything decent or mediocre at the very least, but at the same time it will save you the storage space. The next in the agenda is going to be the watermark and how you can manage it, either enable, disable, or customize. So go into the camera settings. Here is the whole separate watermark section. In order to activate it, toggle on this switch, and respectively, if you would like to get it disabled, just turn this switch back off. And while enabled, you can choose whether the watermark will be added to photos, videos, or both. Then you can set the custom text for the watermark to display, and decide whether the watermark will contain the device model or date and time. And well, now each photo that you'll take will contain the watermark, or video that you record will contain the watermark that you have set up. And final tip that I have is how you can adjust, or rather customize the shooting methods. So as you can see currently, in order for me to take a photo, I will need to tap at the shutter button. So if you find this somewhat inconvenient, and you would like to explore the alternative ways of starting to record the video or taking a picture, you can absolutely do that. If you'll go to the camera settings, you'll see the volume button action option at the very top. So you can use the volume buttons as a shutter, and now whether you press volume up or down key, the photo gets taken. Or you can also use it for zooming in and out in the photo mode. So as you can see, if I'm holding the volume up key, it will zoom in, and consequentially, if I'll tap at the volume down button, it will zoom me out. So, and that's not even it as far as the shooting methods go. You can also go for the shooting method section and make it so that if you will, so let's go one by one, and I'll describe those features one by one. So this one is tap to capture, and basically it allows you to take a photo with tapping anywhere at the viewfinder. As you can see, the pictures get taken after the shutter speed will do its job. Or you can also enable another cool and convenient shutting method, but it is, well, never mind. So the other shooting method is the show palm, and well, you will need to simply show your palm to the front camera. And as you can see, it starts the 2-second timer, after which it takes a picture. So also a very cool feature to have in mind. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.